Happy Sunday. Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Bovine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world-famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. That's Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. 597 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. Today's video is on T-post safety. T-post safety. Now, a lot of you guys use T-posts in your urban farms or while you're gardening, and they're great for staking things like tomatoes. In fact, I'm inside the greenhouse right now, and I'm going to show you some really tall, I believe these are 8-foot T-posts, so I have them a little bit higher. I think probably most of you are used to the shorter ones, probably 3 to 5 feet right here. But as you can see, so we pound these in, and then at the very top, there's a very sharp point. Now, this is very dangerous, okay? This can take out your eye, cause some serious damage. So Farmer Mike recommends getting these T-post covers, okay? Prevent an accident right there. And you're gonna get these, and you're going to order these T-post covers for all of your T-posts, every single one, and it just slides in just like that. And if you're on a ladder and you bump into this, it won't cut you and take your eye out. It almost did Farmer Mike like that. Check out that video on my channel. Check out that video, and you can see Farmer Mike with a black eye giving away the knowledge so you don't have to. Very important tip. I would say probably 90% of the farms that I visit don't have these T-post covers. It's just not a matter of if it's going to happen. It's a matter of when. Protect yourself, protect your children, protect your visitors to your farm. Get these T-post covers now! At the very least, say you can't afford that many T-post covers right now. At the very least, you want to get something like this, a pot or whatnot, small pot, and put it inside, just like that. Protect you from an accident, protect you from losing an eye. I hope you enjoy that epic masterclass. Don't forget to go to my YouTube channel, Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. Oh, loving the incense. Oh, loving the smell. Is that old school? If you still burn incense, let me know in the comment section below. Check out our website also, Ophelia'sBovineFarm.com, Ophelia'sBlueVine.com. But most importantly, the channel. Like and subscribe. Learn how to thrive, survive, stay out of the hive, stay alive, become truly self-sufficient on my urban farming survival channel, Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. I got more work to do, so I gotta get off here. Hope you're having yourself a great day. Farmer Mike, live from the vine. Ophelia's